Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the time on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button in the tools section. At the left side on the screen click to the units and times section. Scroll down and here you can select the default time, always UTC, local time, my local time, or differential, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.